Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Pyruvate dehydrogenase is the key bridge between glycolysis and the Krebs cycle. Let's solve this biology puzzle quickly to find why lactic acid builds up. Pyruvate dehydrogenase normally converts pyruvate into acetyl-CoA so it can enter the mitochondria. Without this enzyme, the pyruvate cannot be processed for aerobic respiration, causing a major metabolic backup here. Since the Krebs cycle is blocked, the cell must find another way to regenerate NAD+ to keep glycolysis running. This forces the cell to switch over to anaerobic pathways. The cell undergoes fermentation to produce energy, which directly results in the buildup of lactic acid. This makes option D the only scientifically accurate choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and trust the given steps to master metabolic pathways.